Students, today I am going to discuss the mechanism of sulfonation and formation of phenol. Now you read that benzene on sulfonation give benzene sulfonic acid, and benzene sulfonic acid on reaction with sodium hydroxide in presence of acid H plus form phenol. So sulfonation, that means in sulfonation benzene react with H2SO4 to form benzene sulfonic acid. Now let us discuss the mechanism behind sulfonation. So this sulfonation occur in 4 steps. Now step 1, generation of electrophile. Here in this step, two molecules of sulfuric acid react each other to form SO3, HSO4 minus and H3O plus. So here we can write H2SO4 in this fashion: H2O, SO3 and HHSO4. So this one H2SO4 is written as HHSO4 and this H2SO4 is written as H2O, Now what happened? So one molecule of H2O of this H2SO4 and another hydrogen atom of this H2SO4 reacted to form H3O plus ion. So H2, H3, H3O plus so formed, and this one is SO3 and this one is HSO4 minus. Now here electrophile is generated. Now in step 2, a stack of pi bond on benzene on SO3. So you can see that the benzene having rich electron, that means it contains 3 pi bond. So one of the pi bond attack at sulfur atom, at the same time oxygen withdraw its electron of sulfur, because here is a pi bond between oxygen and sulfur. So one of the pi bond is attracted by this oxygen atom, hence oxygen becomes negatively charged and this bond is attached with sulfur molecule. Now there is a scarcity of electron, therefore a positive charge is developed at this position. So you can see that this positive charge is developed. Now in step 3, deprotonation occur. So in step 3 you can see that deprotonation occur. So this molecule so formed is react with HSO4 minus. This HSO4 minus is generated in step 1. It abstract hydrogen atom of this molecule. So H of this and HSO4 minus will undergo reaction to form H2SO4 and hence you can see this one remaining part. So benzene and SO3 minus. So in step 4, protonation occur. So here protonation occur, and in step 4 you can see that SO3 minus and H plus ion react with this one molecule, and as a result what happen? So this H plus and this SO4 minus attach each other to form SO3H. So benzene sulfonic acid formed. Now after the formation of benzene sulfonic acid, we are going to prepare phenol. So here we are going to discuss how benzene sulfonic acid form phenol. So benzene sulfonic acid so formed, first of all react with base NaOH. So here H plus ion of benzene sulfonic acid react with OH minus of NaOH to eliminate water molecule. You can see that water molecule is eliminated. Now in place of H plus ion, Na of NaOH goes to form SO3Na. Now this compound so formed is again reacting with two molecule of NaOH. So here two molecule of NaOH we have taken. Here what happens? So one molecule of NaOH react with SO3Na to form Na2SO3. So Na2SO3 eliminated, and this it completely removed, and at the same time one of the OH and another molecule of H of NaOH eliminate as water molecule. You can see that OH and this H eliminated as water molecule. We have only NaO. So this one will attach with benzene ring to form this one sodium phenoxide. This one is sodium phenoxide. sodium phenoxide so formed react with HCl and Na and Cl minus eliminated as NaCl. So this one H plus takes the position of Na plus and phenol formed. So we have discussed the mechanism behind this reaction. Thank you.